Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account in the National Australian Bank. Now, to create an account in the National Australian Bank, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once you've opened up a web browser, on the search bar, simply type in NATIONALAUSTRAILIANBANK and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to the results page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on this first link, you'll be redirected to the home page of NAB or the National Australian Bank. Now on this page on the top right corner of your screen, simply choose the account you want to create and then hit this login button. After you click on the login button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you'll see this login form. Now on this form, on the bottom of it, you'll see this register now option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the register option, this register form will appear on your screen. Now on this form, simply type in your NAB ID, your date of birth, and then hit this next button. If you don't have your NAB ID, simply click on this "Where do I find my NAB ID" button or contact the National Australian Bank office. After you fill in these credentials and if they are valid, and once you click on this next button, you will be redirected to another page where you will have to fill in some more credentials, and if all those credentials are valid, your account in the National Australian Bank will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account in the National Australian Bank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.